My name's Sophie. I'm the area ranger here at Springhill, a National Trust property at Moneymore. Springhill is what they call plantation house, so it was built by planters who came over from Scotland in the 17th century. It's made up of farmland, woodland, parkland, gardens, and it would have been about 300 acres at its peak. Now we've only got about 80 acres of it. Today we have been on a fungi foray. We've been working in conjunction with Cookstown Wildlife Trust, which has got a lot of expertise and skills. So we've been sharing our knowledge and having a walk around all the different habitats here at Springhill and just identifying what fungi are growing at this time of year and making a record for what's growing on the estate. We have seen tiny little wax caps growing on the lawns to big giant polypores growing on beech trees. We've seen rather gruesome looking honey fungus that's attacking dead trees, and we've seen very delicate little porcelain mushrooms that grow on dead wood and beech trees, and when the light shines through them it looks like very, very fine china. Just a huge variety of different mushrooms grown in different habitats on lawns, dead wood, woodlands, in the leaf litter, and just a real good example of all the different things. And because it's such an old historic landscape, that's actually why we've got so many different types of fungi here, because the relationship has built up over the years with the trees and plants that we have here. If we have dead wood fall or dead trees, we actually try and leave them in situ. So if there's a dead tree and it's not going to fall anywhere where visitors will be, we actually just leave it where it is and let the fungi start to decompose it. If there's a tree needs to be chopped down in the woodland for safety reasons, we would stack the dead wood beside it into a pile to encourage the fungi as a great place for them to find a source of food. We also, in areas of wildflowers, we would usually cut it at the end of the summer, so maybe September, but we found that that was actually the best time for the fungi to fruit. So we've delayed our cutting now until nearly December, so that we allow the fungi time to give off their spores so that they can reproduce and regrow next year. Over the moon with how today's gone. I mean, we've been really blessed. The weather has been fantastic, a perfect autumn day, and we've had little kids as young as 6, and we've had older people able to share their knowledge between each other. The kids have been running about and finding the fungi for us and shouting, letting us come over and letting us know where it is. It's just been brilliant, and it's given us a really great record of what we have here. We've identified over 40 different species today, so it's been great to have everybody here, all different people, and to see Springhill busy on such a lovely day.